Roofs provide the much-needed protection to any building. You have to choose the roof material carefully that suits your building and make sure that it lasts long. You can increase your roof life with proper installation and quality services provided by professional roofing contractors. The roofing experts are qualified technicians who use advanced methods to survey your roof and find out the repair and maintenance needs. Once they figure out the damages, they suggest possible solutions, required material, and an estimated cost. Cost-effective services and other benefits. When it comes to build a new roof or repair the existing one, the roofing experts try their best to come up with the best possible option in a cost-effective manner. Maintenance work. You have to choose the roof material that needs less maintenance. Offers and discounts. You have to be vigilant to avail of the offers and discount prices of these roofing services providers. Once you shortlist a company among many, you can read the details of their services, the material they provide and the aftercare. You should not just select any company for meeting your roofing needs. It is an important decision and you have to choose wisely. Amex Roofing, among leading roof contractors in North Vancouver, offering a complete range of services including commercial roofing, roof repair, replacement and maintenance in North Vancouver, BC. Call us for commercial roofing at 604-985-1859 or visit us online at https://www.amexroofing.ca/.